BJP women MPs have now written to the Speaker Birla, Om Birla, over Prime Minister Chair Gherao incident. The MPs, while condemning the incident, have asked the Speaker, Om Birla, to take the strictest action against women opposition MPs for their act, calling it a bid to tarnish the House's reputation. Meanwhile, the Lok Sabha remains paralyzed. At the heart of the logjam are the opposition's claim that the leader of opposition, that is Rahul Gandhi, was gagged. The chair was contested and trust between the Speaker and the opposition has broken down. What began as a ruckus on the floor has now escalated into a full-blown institutional standoff. The opposition is now mulling a no-confidence motion against the Lok Sabha Speaker, Om Birla. However, sources defend the Speaker. Sources point to a breakdown of discipline, as they say, and that is that the MPs entered the well using unparliamentary language is also cited, and surrounding the Prime Minister's seat, and also creating a safety concern. This is what is being cited. Meanwhile, Delhi police has registered a case over the alleged leak and circulation of a preprint copy of former Army Chief General Narvane's memoir. So clearly, this logjam is expected to continue for a while as the opposition MPs refuse to back down. Yesterday, there was a letter written by the opposition MP, the women MPs who had been part of that crowd that had carried out the Prime Minister. And today, there is a letter written by the BJP MPs in support of the Speaker. Remember, this is all stemming from one issue, and that is that the LOP, the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, had demanded to speak. And he wanted to cite a few excerpts of a book that has been written by General Narvane. Now, in a dramatic turn in Lok Sabha, leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi led the opposition's protest over what MPs termed controversial remarks by the Speaker, alleging that women MPs had tried to target Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Rahul Gandhi approached the chair asking, and I quote him, "Will I be allowed to speak?" After the chaos, the chair instructed him to speak after submitting notice. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju objected to Rahul's move and countered. Listen in.
एक घंटा पहले स्पीकर साहब के पास हम गए, मैंने, member of the House went, and Speaker committed to us, personally committed to us, that I will be allowed to speak here and raise some points before the budget discussion. Now, you are going back on your word. So I'd like to know, am I allowed to speak those points or not?
नहीं, वो सुनना नहीं चाहते, छोड़ दीजिए, तो अपने आप कमिटमेंट ले लेंगे।
माननीय सदस्य, मेरे पास आपका कोई नोटिस नहीं आया है और मुझे नहीं मालूम कि आपका क्या विषय है। ये नोटिस आएगा किसी विषय पर, उसके बाद का निर्णय है। प्लीज आप लोग सभी बजट पर चर्चा करिए। अगर आपको बजट पर चर्चा करनी है, माननीय सदस्य, अगर आप बजट पर चर्चा करना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज आप चालू करिए। अभी किसी भी विषय का कोई नोटिस नहीं है, आप सिर्फ बजट पर चर्चा करिए।
राहुल गांधी जी ने कहा, स्पीकर के चैम्बर में वेणुगोपाल जी थे, मैं भी ज्वाइन किया और हम लोग बातचीत किए। मैं इस चीज का पुष्टि करना चाहता हूं कि स्पीकर साहब ने पहल किया था कि अगर सब मान जाए तो सदन चलना चाहिए, और वेणुगोपाल जी की ओर से भी कहा गया है कि हम अपना लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन से कुछ बुलवाना चाहते हैं। लेकिन उससे पहले हमने ये बात तय किया कि अगर क्या विषय में आप बात करेंगे, अगर स्पीकर के ऊपर एलिगेशन लगाएंगे तो स्पीकर का भी जवाब होगा। ये सारा चीज तय करके ही हम आपको परमिशन देंगे। स्पीकर ने ये कहा, ये अभी राहुल गांधी जी ने कहा वो 100% सही नहीं है। स्पीकर ने कमिटमेंट नहीं किया है। स्पीकर ने ये कहा कि अगर बातचीत बनता है तो आपको बोलने के लिए देंगे और बाकी दल के नेता को भी देंगे। ये नहीं कहा कि सिर्फ कांग्रेस को ही देंगे।
And joining us now is India Today's Rahul Gautam from the Parliament. Rahul, it is expected to be a fiery session today as well. What are you hearing about the no confidence motion?
Well, it seems that this is becoming a major flashpoint. This unpublished book, as it is being said by General Narwane, and I myself spoke with Congress MP, suspended Congress MP Manikam Tagore, and he showed us a tweet, dated 13th December 2023, wherein General Narwane is saying that you can pre-order the book, from various portals. So clearly. And in fact, Manikam Tagore and Congress MPs are saying that this is nothing but a diversionary tactics on the part of the government, and how Delhi police has become a joke under Home Minister Amit Shah, and they have misplaced priorities. Rather, curbing crimes, they are going after as to who leaked this book, how this happened. So clearly, they are saying, as far as Congress is concerned, they are saying that this is happening just to divert the public attention from the real issue. That's what Congress MPs are saying. So clearly expect that this is again going to echo in both the houses of the parliament today as well. We have seen earlier how Rahul Gandhi, was not allowed to quote this book inside the parliament. Rahul Gandhi was given almost 48 minutes at that point of time on the very first day when he was speaking on motion of thanks. But opposition MPs are saying that the Lok Sabha chair didn't allow him to speak about this book. So clearly, it seems that this is gathering more steam, and expect that this is again going to rock both the houses of the parliament at around 10 a.m. The opposition parties are going to meet at the office of LOP Rajya Sabha Mallikarjun Kharge, and expect that the future course of action would be chalked out as to how they can corner the government on this issue on the floor of the House.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, Rahul. We'll be keeping an eye on the proceedings of the House as we can see it will be a fiery session. Now